And we actually had people sort of competing for these spaces because they love this look. As a matter of fact, there was a point where I didn't want to do this because I didn't want anyone to know my secret because it's been so successful. Hi, I'm Suzanne Pyles with Taicoon Property Partners, and this is our project, Wrapped. So our approach to developing spec suites is creating office space that people want to be in. I'm the managing director here at Taicoon Property Partners, which means that I do everything. The most important thing to me is speed. Speed to market, speed. But I need it to look good. I need it to be high quality. If I had used a standard commercial furniture vendor, it takes weeks just to get a price. So I finally said, okay, I'm gonna give Wayfair Professional a try and see what this is about. The quality of the furniture that we've been getting is equal or better than when we have it custom built. So if you can do it in half the time for half the cost, using your Wayfair Professional team, why not? So we had 4 spec suites. The largest one was on the front of the building, beautiful views, that space leased before it was finished. And the other 2 are smaller suites with alley views. So they're on the back of the building, they're less desirable space. And we were afraid they were gonna sit the longest. So we used Wayfair Professional and we furnished the spec suites. We decorated them so that they can literally just move in. We put the pictures online and we had more tours for these 2 tiny spec suites than the rest of our portfolio combined. The least desirable space at the same rents that we were getting for the front of the building. It's so helpful to have someone that knows me. I don't have to re-explain it every time. It's not somebody new every time. And they put together a project list, so I had options to pick from, but I had 5 desks to pick from instead of 80,000. So it substantially narrowed down the time I had to spend. And I know that when my design team puts it in my cart, that's a high quality product. People walk into these spec suites and they're like, who did this furniture? And I say, Wayfair Professional. And they're like, what? And I'm like, not just Wayfair Professional. I have my own design team. That's my flex.